BabyBus.
Wow!
Hey, Kiki.
Huh?
Whoa, what's this? Looks like the palm.
It's called a cactus. You can keep it if you want.
Really?
Sure. But you have to take good care of it. Cacti like sunlight. Don't water it too much.
Huh?
Emergency! I gotta go! Take good care of it. Kaka, what's the emergency?
Camel, mammal, delivery man of the desert. The hump on his back is a super energy box that allows him to go without food or water for over 10 days. But now his hump's getting smaller and smaller until all the energy is gone. He needs your help.
Leave it to us! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
I feel terrible. Super Rescue Team, please come and help me. The rescue bus, great.
Mr. Camel, are you okay?
Something is wrong with my stomach. I can't eat. My hump is shrinking too.
Don't worry, let me check on you. Start analyzing! You've got too much gas in your stomach. That's why you can't eat and your hump is shrinking.
I got it. Let me start the treatment. Ha-ha! There's too much gas in the stomach. That's why it was so gassy. Super recovery machine. An enormous bubble. All done.
I feel much better.
Kiki!
Mr. Camel, do you feel better?
I feel so much better after that burp. I can eat again. Look, my hump's getting bigger again. Now I can get back to delivering the parcels. Huh? Where are the parcels? Oh no! They must have been blown into the sand. Oh.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can find them together.
Huh?
Kaka, we have another problem. Please send Hank to come and help us.
Copy that. Hank, Kiki asked for backup. Please move out now.
Copy that. The great Hank can solve any problem.
Mr. Camel's parcels are buried in the sand. I'll locate them and you dig them up.
Okay.
Found it, right there.
I'm on it.
Go, Hank! There's only one more left!
Oh, a piece of cake! Wow, great! Now it's done! Oh no! Sandstorm!
Huh? Everybody stick to the side of the bus!
The parcel!
Watch out! Head down!
Not with this strong wind! The parcel will be blown away!
Leave it to me!
Kiki!
Super speed! Woohoo! Oh no! Ah!
It stopped.
Kiki! Kiki!
Where's Kiki?
He was swept away by the sandstorm!
Oh, it's all my fault. Kiki! Kiki's over there! Thank goodness, you're okay!
Wow, it's a toy! Thank you, Mr. Camel. See you again next time.
Everything went so well, thanks to you. Thank you, guys.
Goodbye, Mr. Camel!
Goodbye, everyone!
Goodbye! Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe! Wow!
Everyone sit tight.
Okay, Mr. Whale Shark! Oh, yeah! It's so beautiful! Daddy, this is so much fun!
We'll be arriving at the underwater park soon. Please get ready to get off.
Underwater park! Underwater park!
I'm the fastest one in the sea. Move, move!
Be careful! Oh, that hurts!
La 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 la. Wow, good job, Rudolph!
Oh, yay! Nobody can beat me in the water.
Good job, Rudolph!
Oh,
Emergency! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Whale shark, the largest fish in the ocean, works as the undersea tour bus. But he had a traffic accident and got seriously injured. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Mr. Whale Shark! Mr. Whale Shark!
I can't breathe.
Super Rescue Team!
Mr. Whale Shark can't breathe. Please help him.
Don't worry, leave it to us.
Start analyzing. Here is the result. Mr. Whale Shark hurt his tail, so he can't swim. But he has to keep swimming to make water go through his gills to get oxygen.
Ah, that's why he can't breathe.
Mr. Whale Shark, hang in there just a little longer. Propellers start.
Super Recovery Machine! It's all done!
I feel much better.
Great!
Thank you, Super Rescue Team.
No problem.
I'm all right now, so please enjoy the underwater park.
Okay. Wow, it's so beautiful here. Oh, look over there. It's a really big pearl. Whoa!
Huh? What's that sound?
Over there.
Oh no! Watch out!
It's collapsing. Help! Get out of here. Daddy, I'm scared.
Be careful, everyone! Call the headquarters! Kaka, we have a new problem. We need Rudolph's help right now.
Copy that. Rudolph, Kiki needs your help. Please move out right now.
got it. Rudolph is up to any challenge from the sea. green bus is here.
Rudolph, people are stuck in the tunnel.
We need to save them. Let me scan first. Rudolph, here's the safest spot for the operation.
Okay, no problem. Almost done.
What's happening outside?
Huh? Oh.
Someone's here to save us.
Great! I'm gonna get out first.
Come back! It's not safe there yet.
Hey, hurry up!
Don't move, it's dangerous.
Hey, I'm getting out of here.
Oh no! The rocks are starting to collapse again.
What's wrong? I'm so scared.
Oh no!
Rudolph, watch out! Oh no!
It's getting worse.
What should I do?
The water's getting murky. Kiki, Miumiu, I can't see anything.
Let's think about what we can do.
Let me try.
Huh? Mr. Whale Shark!
Wow.
Wow, Mr. Whale Shark is amazing!
Great! Now I can see clearly. And it's my turn. Watch me!
Huh? Someone's there!
You're safe now. Come out, everyone.
It's the Super Rescue Team!
Yay! We're safe now! Super Rescue Team, you're awesome!
Thank you!
Mr. Whale Shark here was a great help.
I'm so happy that everyone's safe.
I'm so sorry, guys. I shouldn't have been so hurried.
Manta Ray, that was really dangerous.
You should be careful, okay?
Okay, I'll never do that again.
Super Rescue Team, bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye, everyone! Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe!
Hi, I'm Kiki, the leader of Kiki and Miumiu Rescue Team. Whoever's in trouble, we'll be there to help. Be careful! Momo, I didn't know you could cook.
I have so many talents that you guys don't know about.
Let's eat now.
Okay, try the most delicious food in the world. Stir-fried carrots, carrot buns, carrot soup.
Huh? deep-fried carrots.
Steamed carrots!
Huh? Emergency! We've got to go!
Don't go! You haven't eaten the food! Stay and finish it!
Kaka, what's the emergency?
Elephant, mammal, he has a long trunk. He's a firefighter, but he has some trouble while putting out a fire. He needs your help.
Kiki and Miumiu Rescue Team, let's go!
Are you okay? Why is the rescue team not coming yet? The fire's getting bigger!
The rescue bus! You made it! Help me! I start coughing when I suck up the water!
Don't worry, we'll help you right now.
Let me take a closer look.
Thank you. Now my trunk will be fine.
Start analyzing. Results are in! His trunk is blocked!
Blocked? Oh, then I'll go inside his trunk and find out what's wrong. So dark in here. Wow! Where's the blockage? Even further? It's so deep, but I have to go further. Whoa! Whoa! Ha! Whoa! Ah! Huh? Miu Miu, he's got some gum stuck in his trunk. Huh? The wind is so strong.
The gum is blocking his airway, so the elephant can't breathe well.
Aha! I'll handle it.
Mr. Elephant, what's wrong?
My trunk, it's so itchy. Achoo!
Kiki, how's it going?
Haha! Problem solved.
Wow, that feels better. Oh, Thank you so much! Help! Is anyone there? Please help me!
Huh? Ah!
Help!
The sound is coming from under there. I'm gonna scan. It's Grandpa Turtle! We have to help him right now!
Huh? Ouch! Ouch! It hurts terribly!
Be careful! He might get hurt more! We can handle this!
Okay.
I need support from the headquarters! Kaka, we have another problem! We need Pilot Momo's help!
Copy that. Momo, we have a support request from Kiki. Please move out now.
Copy that! Here comes the flying Momo!
Move the sideboard! Grandpa Turtle's trapped underneath!
No problem! On it! Fly up! Up, up, up I go, flying even higher. Up, up, up I go, woo-hoo. Oh no! I can't see clearly! Kiki, help Momo!
Momo! Steer to the left!
Okay! Come on! Watch out, Kiki!
Super speed!
Kiki, are you okay?
I'm okay. How's Grandpa Turtle?
I feel dizzy. I just went to buy a bottle of soy sauce, then this happened.
Well, you're fine now.
Kiki and Miumiu rescue team. Thank you for saving me.
Thank you all, firefighters.
Oh, thank you. It's all thanks to your help.
And don't forget Momo!
Of course. Thank you.
Yeah!
Choo!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Whoa!
Kiki and Miumiu Rescue Team! Keeping you safe!
Gray Donkey, this is Air Traffic Police Officer Bat. A flock of birds are in front of you. Get out of the way.
What? Birds? Oh no! I can't see anything!
Don't panic. Just follow my directions. Steer to your right.
Copy that.
Go down.
Thank you, Mr. Bat.
No problem. That's what I do. Gray Donkey is ready to land. Copy that! Clear the runway! Yay, perfect! Mr. Bat is amazing. He stopped another accident.
Yeah.
Mr. Bat, are you all right? My ear really hurts.
Hold back, Kiki.
No way!
Watch me.
Hey, good job. You did great. Huh? Emergency.
Kaka, what's the emergency?
Bat, the only flying mammal in the world. He sends out ultrasonic waves, receives the echoes by his ears, and finds the location of the target. He is an air traffic controller, also known as air traffic police officer, but he's feeling unwell and can't do his job right now. He needs your help.
We're on it. Super Rescue Team, let's go! Mr. Bat! Mr. Bat!
Oh, the rescue team!
Mr. Bat, what's going on?
Control tower, control tower. Gray Wolf's all ready to land.
My ear hurts so much, I can't do my job.
Don't worry. Let me give you a checkup. Start analyzing. Here's the result. His ear got swollen and infected, so it couldn't work well.
Got it. I'll give him treatment right now. Where's the swelling? Huh? Oh, it's so deep! Oh, what's going on?
Just a few moments. Kiki's doing his best to help.
I'm sorry. It just hurts so much.
Why is there so much water in Mr. Bat's ear?
Water?
Maybe it got into my ear when I took a shower.
I'll take care of it. Now to reduce the swelling. It's all done. How do you feel, Mr. Bat?
Much better now. Thank you so much.
Control tower, control tower. Gray Wolf's low on fuel. Requesting landing. Control tower, Squirrel's requesting takeoff. Wasp is requesting landing.
Requesting landing.
Wasp is requesting landing.
I'm so confused.
Requesting landing.
Don't worry, just leave it to me.
Mr. Bat!
I'm so glad you're okay. Start checking the runway. Gray Wolf, land on section B. Squirrel, ready to take off. Wasp, land on section C. Eagle, land on section A. Leopard, land on section D.
Yay! All clear!
Wow, you're amazing, Mr. Bat. Yeah, you really are.
Control tower. Shiba dogs requesting landing. Shiba dogs requesting landing.
Sheba Dog, this is the control tower.
The runway's all clear to land.
Copy that.
Oh no! Control tower, I have a problem with my engine.
Stop all landings and takeoffs right now. Sheba Dog needs to make an emergency landing.
Attention ground staff, get ready for the rescue operation.
Let's go help them too.
Ground staff, help the passengers with emergency evacuation.
This way,
Go,
please.
everyone.
Come on!
Oh no, be careful. Ground staff, be careful of falling debris.
Everyone, be careful. Leave here.
Oh no, I'm out of the runway.
Watch out! Super speed!
We're safe! We're still alive!
We're so lucky.
Captain Sheba! Captain Sheba! Captain Sheba!
I'm fine.
Great!
Thank you for saving me.
Bye-bye, Super Rescue Team.
Bye-bye! Super Rescue Team keeping you safe!
Wow. La 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 la. I love stealing coral. La 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 la. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Stop it!
Huh?
No stealing corals!
No, oh no! It's Chief Shark! I gotta go!
Stop! Stop! Stop right there! Stop! Stop it! Stop! Stop! What's wrong with me? I feel terrible.
Kaka, what's the emergency?
Shark, a kind of fish, is the chief of the ocean. He is good at chasing bad guys. All criminals are afraid of him. But he felt hard to breathe while chasing a thief just now. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
What's wrong with me? Where's Super Rescue Team? Here they come!
Chief Shark, what happened?
I was chasing a bad guy who stole corals, but then I felt like I can't even breathe.
Chief, can you stop for a while so we can get you checked?
But I can't stop.
Why?
Let me check. Chief Shark has to keep swimming so the water can pass through his gills and he can get the oxygen to breathe. If he stops swimming, his life might be in danger.
In danger?
Don't worry, Chief. I will give you a checkup. Here's the result. Chief Shark's gills got hurt, so he feels hard to breathe.
I see. I'll do the treatment right now. Miumiu, I found the wound! Chief Shark's gills got scratched by a piece of coral and is still stuck inside.
It must go in with the water when he was breathing.
So this is the cause? I'll heal the wound right now. Super rope gun! Oh no! I need to hurry! My way!
How was it, Kiki?
Mission complete!
Haha! Thank you, guys! I can breathe freely again! I'm full of energy, and I'm so ready to get that thief right now. I should have caught him.
Don't worry, Chief. We'll help you out.
Wonderful.
Watch this. Found him! He's over there!
Nobody can catch me. Huh? Oh no!
Stop there! Stop!
Bye-bye! Oh no! I gotta hide first.
Did you find anything, Chief?
Chief Shark has a keen sense of smell. He will definitely get the thief if he's still around here.
Ha! You have nowhere to run.
Oh no!
Stop there! Haha! Gotcha!
Watch out!
Kiki, what should we do?
Help! Help!
I need to call headquarters! Kaka! We're in trouble! We need Rudolph to be here ASAP!
Copy that. Rudolph, Kiki needs your help. Please get ready and move out right now.
Got it! Rudolph is up to any challenge from the sea! I'm here!
Rudolph, we need you to cut the cabin and save Chief Shark and the wolf!
Sure!
Huh? Yes! I'm free! Nobody can catch me now.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh?
Super speed!
Kiki!
Oh?
We're fine! Yeah!
Thanks for your help, guys. Super Rescue Team, you're doing great.
You are doing great as well to catch all criminals for everyone.
I'll never do that again.